Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelmac. Trust me, driving as a female is not for the weak. So come along with me while I take my car to the garage.
Get somebody I know in my drive.
Guys, I just want to share something with you. As a female driver, we need to know at least the minimal about our car, because if something is going wrong, we should be able to identify that it is, something is about to happen. So we need to pay attention to the car to know when something is going bad or is about to go bad, so that we know the next step to take in order not to end up in something that we can't manage or unfortunate. So I think as female drivers, we need to know at least the minimal things about the car. So it turns out that my radiator cover needs to be changed. So I have to get a new cover. And I'm heading back to the garage for this to be changed. See you when I get there.
Get somebody I know in my drive.
Guys, pure drama and stress. The cap that I bought now work out, so I'm up and about trying to get another one. Jaja. Second one I'm going to try, so let's see if this one's gonna work. So after a very long day, guys, the cap that I bought, none of them could have worked. So I had to end up changing the top of the radiator. Spend over 20 grand, trust me. And then change the coolant to something else. So I tell you, this was so frustrating. Like I said, pay attention to your car so you can know when things are going bad, so it doesn't reach a certain point. But boy, may I tell you, when your car give you a problem, genuine frustration, man. Well, it worked out, not for my pocket, but it worked out. So hopefully I shouldn't be having this problem anytime soon. So thankfully, that was resolved an entire day, but I'm still grateful. Just gonna head home now, possibly to get a strong drink and just to unwind, because I'm so busted, guys. I hope you can learn something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you reach this far, it means that you've watched the entire video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chelmac. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more insightful vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye.